Hi, this is Mr. Leckenby from the Edison Public Library. Welcome to 5-Minute Family Fun. This week we're going to be talking about apples, and I'm going to read you a story about apples, and then we're going to learn how to make our own apple out of paper. So let's start with the story. The story I'm going to read to you today is called 10 Apples Up on Top. This is written by Dr. Seuss. 1 apple up on top. 2 apples up on top. Look you, I can do it too. Look, see, I can do 3. 3, I see. You can do 3, but I can do more. You have 3, but I have 4. Look, see now, I can hop with 4 apples up on top. And I can hop up on a tree with 4 apples up on me. Look here, you two. See here, you two. I can get 5 on top. Can you? I am so good I will not stop. 5, now 6, now 7 on top. 7 apples up on top. I am so good they will not drop. 5, 6, 7, fun, fun, fun. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But see, we are as good as you. Look, now we have 7 too. And now see here, 8 on top. 8 apples up, not 1 will drop. 8, and we can skate. Look now, we can skate with 8. But I can do 9 and hop and drink. You cannot do this, I think. We can do it too. See here, we are as good as you. We all are very good, I think. With 9, we all can hop and drink. 9 is very good, but then, come on, and we will make it 10. Look, 10 apples up on top. We are not going to let them drop. Look out, I see a mop. I will make the apples fall. Get out, you, one and all. Come on, come down this hall. We must not let our apples fall. Out of our way, we cannot stop. We cannot let our apples drop. This is not good. What will we do? That they want to get our apples too. They will get them if we let them. Come, we cannot let them get them. Look out, the mop, the mop, the mop. You cannot stop our apple fun. Our apples will not drop, not one. Come on, come one, come all. We have to make the apples fall. They must not get our apples down. Come on, get out of town. Apples up on top. All of this must stop. Now all our fun is going to stop. Our apples all are going to drop. Oh no! What a mess. Look! 10 apples on us all. What fun! We will not let them fall. The end. So that's 10 Apples Up on Top by Dr. Seuss. Thank you, Dr. Seuss, for writing that story. I will come back in a minute and show you how to make your very own apple. Hi, I'm back. So now I'm going to show you how to make your very own paper apple. Right? This is the one that I made to show you. So the first thing you're going to want to do is print off the template that is on our website under this program in our calendar, and you're going to print off the template for the strips of paper and the template for the leaves for the apple. All right. Once you have those, then you're going to cut out one leaf. Well, depending on how many apples you want to make, you're going to cut out one of the leaves. And I'm going to move my camera down so you can see what I'm doing. All right. All right, one leaf, and then you're going to cut out all of the paper strips at once. There's 6 of them. And I printed mine out on construction paper. If you have construction paper, that would be good because you want it to be a little bit stiff. Regular paper won't hold its shape as well. Now, if you can't print off the templates, you can draw them on a piece of paper and then cut them out. All right, once you have them all cut out, put them in a pile, stacked on top of each other. Make sure they're even. And then you're going to need a hole punch. So punch a hole in one end, turn it around, punch a hole in the other end, and then you're going to punch a hole in the end of your leaf. Right. And the next thing you're going to need is brass brads. All right, these are little fasteners, the little metal part on the end. And we're going to use those to hold the whole thing together. So we're going to put a brad in one end, bring down the wings, and then the other end you're going to attach your apple. Put down the wings. All right. Once you have it connected like that, then you're going to slowly spread the strips apart. And you'll see how they kind of unfold like this. And there you go. Your very own apple. You can add a string to the top and you can hang these. They make nice decorations. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you next time.